Good evening, gents. Welcome back again to the SKGS Incorporated YouTube channel. As you know, it's your host, SK, and we're back with another NASDAQ analysis video. So as you guys know, we normally analyze NASDAQ on the H1 timeframe, right? As we've been doing. So we are back on the H1 timeframe with NASDAQ, and we are using the secret level strategy, as you guys should know by now. So, as you guys can see from last time, the last analysis that I posted, right? It was a buy trade, yeah? And as you can see, it was a buy trade from here, from 11,200 all the way up to 11,500. But obviously, NASDAQ didn't go that high. As you can see, NASDAQ did buy from this level, or it was a buy, but it was like a spike type of thing, right? So NASDAQ spiked up to 11,400 and then dropped like crazy, as you can see, right? So it did buy, but it's just that obviously it didn't go all the way up as I expected it to do. But yeah, if you were a smart trader, you would have bought, like I said, buy, and then obviously you would have taken your profit somewhere around here, right? Or maybe if you had bad luck, you would have held it all the way up here. And also another thing that you could have done is that you could have obviously trailed your stop loss. If you trailed your stop loss, you would have not lost any money on this. But yeah. Anyways, so Nasdaq dropped, and now Nasdaq is here on secret level 10,700. Okay. So we are going to analyze Nasdaq now and see what it could possibly do. So we're going to use trend lines, as you guys know. So our trend line would be from here all the way down to here. Yeah, that would be our trend line. And then our other trend line would be from here all the way down to about here, as you can see. So as you guys can see, we've made a sort of like a flag shape. I think this is a bullish flag, I think it's called. Yeah. Or is it a bearish flag? I don't know, one of those. But as you can see that it's like kind of like a flag type of thing. It's not really a channel, but it's like a flag. And how we are going to take this trade is that we're going to look at the past, what Nasdaq did in the past, and then we're going to use that to predict what it could do in the future. So as you guys can see, Nasdaq is currently here, and this specific level here is a very, very significant level because as you can see before, Nasdaq reversed off of this level and then went on a crazy, crazy buy, right, all the way up to here. So since now we are back at this level, and this level has only been, let's see, tested only twice, right? It's only been tested twice, this level. So now this is going to be like the third test of this level. So looking at this, let me actually highlight this level here. So looking at this level here and what Nasdaq did here, we're going to predict that Nasdaq is once again going to bounce off of this level, as you can see that it's currently doing. But we're also going to look at structure, right? So previously, Nasdaq bounced off of here, came all the way up here, right? So, okay, Nasdaq bounced off of here, came all the way up here previously. So, since Nasdaq is clearly on a downtrend, I would probably predict that Nasdaq is going to come from this level here, go all the way up to either, yeah, to this level here, I would say. From here to either here or from here all the way up to this level here. And then Nasdaq will go back down, right, and continue selling. But this is what I predict that it would do. It's most likely going to come to this level here, right? It's going to buy all the way up here and then drop because I'm looking at structure. As you can see, we have a structure here, then Nasdaq went up and then it came down here. So I'm guessing we're going to make that same structure here and then come all the way back down to here, right? Or we could come all the way up here and then come down, right? But in the end, I predict that Nasdaq will come here and then obviously start selling, right? So we would be looking at a structure that's like this kind of. So it would be like kind of like a head and shoulders type of thing, as you can see, like that. But for now, we're going to focus on the buy. So let me just remove this here. Focusing on the buy. Okay, so our buy would look like this. Buying from here, this level here, this is where we'll take our entry at 10,700, and then our take profits would be here at 11,100, just to make it safe. That would be the safe trade. Buy from here at 11,700 and then take profit at 11,000. No, to buy at 10,700, take profits at 11,100. That would be the safe trade. Then our stop loss would be here at 10,600, as you can see, right? So this would be our actual trade, like this. This is what we would be looking at Nasdaq to do. As you can see, it's already buying, kind of. So you could take your entry right now, and then obviously use the stop loss here at 10,600, and then your take profit would be here at 11,100. And if obviously you take more risks as a trader, your next take profit would be here at 11,200. But I would suggest that you keep it here at 11,100, as you can see. So this is our analysis, and we will see how Nasdaq chooses to behave. But you can take this trade right now, right? Enter right now, and then obviously hold it all the way up to here. But as I said, we will see how Nasdaq reacts as the day goes on. But this is what it looks like. Let me just zoom out and show you what it actually looks like that. So yeah, that is the analysis, and we will see how Nasdaq plays out by the end of the day.